Dime, no show, nothing.
Dime, nothing. All this money that was passed through your account, what was it for? This 300,000 that was paid to you, what was it for? This 200,000 that was paid to you, what was it for? All this money was sent to you to take care of Ojazzy. Did you?
Yeah, kedunde na akpọ m afa na this case. Kedunde na akpọ m okongwu na this case. Na send the rubbish na WhatsApp na this case. Respect sekwa na onwe unu. Mgbe m gwara unu na this guy a na-akpọ Igwe Credo bụ confirm anụ ọfịa. Kedu ife unu kwu? Agwa m unu na Igwe Credo need ịtọ ife n'ụgbụrụ. Right, starting from mgbe this boy na-abụ na-egbu ọja. Instead of ya nyere ya aka na back ya up na ekpokori ego, this guy ya relax ya n'oche na atari chingom na eme video. I have been complaining about all this thing all too. I have been complaining, but don't worry. Chelunu mechi niile na nabia. I'm coming. Anu ma complain. Nsi unu napụta na Ojazzy n'aka Igwe Credo nekwa Ojazzy na Ojazzy ya na unu na comment section na akpọ m iyi na akpọ m all sort of name na asị nekwa nke m nekwa nke m amọghọ. Agwa m unu napụta na Ojazzy n'aka Igwe Credo. I so much love that boy ya na akpọ Ojazzy, but Igwe Credo is just like an infection. Imana phone no dem moto infection ba na that phone, the phone na ni even maybe phone bro virus. Igwe Credo is a virus to Ojazzy. You got that? Mgbe unu sky na pụta na Ojazzy n'aka Igwe Credo. Unu say ya keto olejie na akpọba ma afa sympathy bia. What do you want me to come back? See, mpụta tomorrow. If I come out tomorrow, I will say what I know and nothing but what I know. Okay, keto okwu eruo na court. Amego police involved. Abuja High Court. Even with a big Kcee, you have to tamper justice with mercy. Nobody is above mistake. Only be above mistake. You got that? Because even for you there, after all, you could be no though. Can rap you much in Chifo Godolo, check a Chifo. Wait for me tomorrow.
You're not taking care of him. Why are you calling us names?
He has never ever given us a single show.
All the shows I called you for, what did you do? You turned them down. You told me, you said it in your interview, that you have billboards here and there.
I have 4 shows booked
my problem.
in
I
Asaba.
called you almost 3 times.
My billboard full everywhere in Asaba.
The other time I called you, you turned it down. How is it my problem? How is that my problem? And Igwe Credo, don't forget you told us not to deal with Ojazzy, that we should deal with you. And all the money and every transaction passed through your account. These are all the receipts of the money that passed through your account. That means you've not been taking care of Ojazzy. You've been lying to him. So you need to explain to him, because these are all the evidence of the money passed through you. I've never dealt with Ojazzy. The only time I gave Ojazzy money was when he called upon me some weeks ago that his father was ill, and I sent him some money in his account directly. That's the only money that's passed through my account to him. And also, I sent your wife some money. I told you to send your wife's account, and I sent some money to your wife. That's all. Every other money passed through your account. Why didn't you take care of these people? And you're calling me names. You're going to answer all this in court. You said you spent 6 days in Lagos, big liar. You never spent 6 days in Lagos. Easter,
the laundry,
just 2-3 days celebration.
The spaces, everything.
2 days,
cost us almost 300 and something. I just paid.
The piano, and I was excited. Everybody was excited, and I gave you 300,000 when you were going. Do you understand? How is it my problem? Your feeding and every other thing in the hotel was paid for by my humble self. Why are you lying to the public that Ojazzy paid for you 300,000? Who gave Ojazzy? I will pull down the receipt, everything from the hotel, and I will get the proof. You will have to bring your proof of where you spent that money for 6 days and where you slept for 6 days. I want to see it.
The last day we stayed, we had to pay for the food we ate, around 70-something thousand.
That was the last day you spent. You came to Lagos the second time on the island this time, and you stayed in the hotel for just, I think it was 1 night or 2, which everything was paid for. I have the receipt. And my team paid for your feeding and your hotel, everything in the night, and you were to travel fresh flight in the morning by 7, and I was sleeping, and you had a guest in the night that came in, and he or she ate about 17,000. They asked you to pay for it. How is that my problem? This is the receipt, my people. You said 70,000, meanwhile 17. That's how he has been exaggerating and calling me names. You're going to defend all this in court. And you said
as of then, 750.
Just Kcee, Limpopo, Ishare. Listen to me, my brother. If I see anywhere they pay you 750,000 before Japiano, I will triple that money. You that came to our house, we were spraying you money. You need a PK. I sprayed you, my mother sprayed you, my brother sprayed you, my siblings sprayed you. And you were so happy, praising us. Today, you are dragging me for a song that is just barely 5 months. It's not even up to 5 months. I released that song 2nd of June. Go and check it. And this is just November. Check the time. You are going to defend everything you have said about me in court.
But there is no way you agree unless you have to do the video.
Me on social media, and I called you on the phone and asked you what is going on, and you said no, that people want to spoil your business with me, that you're going to make a video, and you made 2 videos. You told me you made one the previous day you were supposed to post, that you're going to make another one, and you did 2 videos. Did I put gun in your head? No, I was in America. Why would you be saying I asked you to put the video? Did I force you to do it? You're also going to defend this. And for you, Igwe Credo and Ojazzy, that have been going around performing Ojapiano and Ojajinja, my song, without my permission, without consent, making money off it, you're going to pay back that money. Because you did all that and you're still calling me out. This is the evidence of the registration of this Ojapiano song. It belongs to me. It's my genre. You have to pay for it. All the money you made out of this song, you're going to give it back to me. Since you're calling me names, you're going to defend this in court. And Igwe Credo and Ojazzy, pay us, you're saying. This song is barely 5 months old. I haven't even collected the royalties from the songs. It's still out there piling. I didn't want to collect it because I needed time. Now, I paid you guys professionally for what you asked for. Now, because the song is blown, you are expecting, like Igwe Credo and Ojazzy said, that the song has made 1.6 billion. Even if you make 1.6 trillion, it's my business, it's my money, it's my music. Do you know how much it costs to promote music? Do you know how much it cost me to promote that song? So it's my choice and my decision if I want to be kind to you guys and give you guys something. Go and check all the people I've worked with in the past. Most of them I bought them cars, most of them I helped, most of them I sent abroad. I've done a lot for a lot of them. Why weren't you guys patient? Why are you guys not even patient? Then you started calling me out from the one because you don't know what the business is. You don't know how to run the business. You're going to defend all these insults you gave me in court.